Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will tell you about a great international website where you can earn $5,000 per month. Yes, you are listening right. You can earn up to $5,000 per month if you have any study related material like your notes, old books, or any other material. You can upload here and can earn a lot of money. Now let's start it. Open the Google Chrome, type studypool.com. This is the website where you can upload different material and can earn up to many dollars. But keep it in your mind, this material should not be copyrighted. Okay. First of all, sign up to earn money. Okay, I have already created my account. I am logging in. Now, when you will complete your account, this is the main page. Come on main page and sell your documents here. Okay, click on sell docs and come here. Upload files. You can upload any files. When this file will be approved, here will be a number of the approval, documents declined, and this is the under process pending documents. Now go to upload more files, select the file and open. You can see one file was successfully uploaded. Okay, now they will review it. When it will be accepted, then you will begin to earn money. When this is the list of the top contributors. Here, when anybody will view to your documents, on up to $10. In this way, as more people will view to your documents, you will earn more dollars.